Hello beautiful viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will discussing about 12 points on how to design a kitchen with a view for added beauty and serenity with unique contents. Let's start. Point number 1 is here. Take advantage of your view by positioning your kitchen in a way that maximize the sight lines. Place the kitchen in a location with the best possible view, such as facing the mountain or overlooking the sea. Number 2 point is here. Choose a color scheme that complement the natural beauty outside. Consider using earthy tones or color that reflect the surrounding landscape. Number 3 point is here. Use large windows or glass doors to let in such a much natural light as possible. This not only enhances the view but also creates a more open and spacious feel to your kitchen. Number 4 point is here. Consider using materials and finishes that blend in with the surroundings. For example, if your view includes a lot of greenery, consider using natural materials like wood or stone. Number 5 point is here. Use plants and flower to bring the outdoors inside. This not only adds beauty to your space but also promotes a sense of tranquility and relaxation. Number 6 point is here. Keep the layout of your kitchen simple and streamlined to avoid distracting from the view. Minimalist design elements can create a sense of calm and serenity. Number 7 point is here. Consider incorporating outdoor elements into your kitchen design, such as a patio or balcony. This can create a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor living. Number 8 point is here. Use lighting to enhance the view outside. Strategically placed lights can create a beautiful ambience and highlight the natural beauty outside. Number 9 point is here. Consider using window treatments that allow for maximum light and view, such as sheer curtains or blinds that can be easily opened and closed. Number 10 point is here. Incorporate reflective surfaces such as a glass backsplash or stainless steel appliances to add depth and dimension to your kitchen design while also reflecting the beauty of the outside world. Number 11 point is here. Add seating areas near the windows to create a cozy and comfortable space to enjoy the view. This can be a breakfast nook, a bar area, or even a cozy reading corners. Number 12 point is here. Lastly, keep in mind that the view is the star of the show, so choose kitchen decor and accessories that do not overpower or distract from the natural beauty outside. Simple, understand. Decor will complement the view and create a peaceful and harmonious space. Thanks for watching my videos.